My name is Carys and I work with Usborne with my mom. But we're kind of doing an Usborne book. You can see we have 3 Usborne books experiments.
This is 50 science things to make and do, and we picked out one of the experiments to do today, which is the floating flowers experiment. And I'll be posting specific instructions in a picture of this page in just a minute here. But it's really easy. You don't need hardly anything. You just need some paper. And this one we colored on one side of it. Cut into a flower shape. You can give it as many petals as you want. Here are a couple that Carys made.
And here are the
So this one she made 4 petals with, you can see. And then you need to make some bugs, and we just used some fabric scraps and cut out little bug shapes, and Carys colored face and wings on them. But you could also just do another piece of paper, however you wanted to do it.
So
once you've got your
one by one, you put them.
But we're not putting them in yet because we have to show how we fold the bugs in.
Oh, yeah.
So you take your little bug and you put it in the middle of your flower.
And then you
just fold the petals in around your little bug. Oh, this little bug doesn't have a face.
Look, that's like a bug home. It's really actually kind of cute.
It is really actually kind of cute. So we just are folding it in.
Help!
And then once you want to make sure you get a good edge on those to keep them down, because the experiment works better when they're down really far. Okay, so once you've got your flowers made with your little bugs folded.
And you put one by one in, and you want the part that I folded instead.
Yep, so we're going to put our little folded flowers in our shallow dish of water,
and
which is the next
this
part.
One because it's experiment. We don't know what's going to happen.
So the cool thing is, let's save that one.
Yeah, for this.
So as you can see, the petals are starting to open. This one's going really well. The bigger the petals, the longer it takes, but you can see movement on this one too.
This one's being really well.
Oh, there it goes. You can see they're all opening by themselves to show our little bug. Oh, look at that one. There goes yours.
This one's doing.
That one is doing amazing.
Yeah.
And so what's happening here is the paper is what?
Opening the water because the paper is sucking in some of the water, and as it sucks in, you can kind of see the water on this paper.
Oh, look at yours. Really did a good job opening.
Oh, yeah.
This little purple one does not want to open for some reason.
Yeah, because I think this is...
Maybe because I've colored it. Maybe that's making a difference on it.
Yeah, but...
This one's opened really well.
As you can see, when you press...
Yeah, you don't want to touch them because then that makes them go underwater and then they don't really work so well.
Yeah.
But a couple... Oh, there goes our purple one.
Yeah.
Now it's open. So like Carys was saying, the water...
Sucking
Or the paper sucks up the water and makes it swell up.
And as it's sucking up, it's opening.
Yep, and here it says here, what's going on? Oh, as the fibers in the paper soak up water, they swell and the paper expands. As this happens, there's a movement which makes the flower open up. Different types of paper soak up water at different speeds. So we actually even grabbed a couple different pieces of paper. We've got, to take the experiment even further, we grabbed some magazine paper. So it's shiny and a little bit coated. We grabbed a thin piece of cardboard.
And you can do like McDonald's boxes, but if you don't like McDonald's, you can just do regular cardboard.
And then here's another piece of just the regular one in order so we can see.
So I am going to do...
Let's do them all at once. You do those two and I'll do this one, okay? So
and that one I made.
So we're going to put them all in and see what...
Oh,
whoa! Oh my gosh! I thought that one would take longer because it's shiny, but that one opened up like right away.
Yeah.
Holy moly, that was crazy. Let's see. What do you think is going to happen with that one? Oh wow.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
These ones look even better.
That was amazing. That's not at all what I thought was going to happen. That cardboard one and the magazine one opened up right away. That was so cool. And now this one is taking the longest. I thought that this one would be the fastest, and then I thought it would be the magazine one, and then I thought it would be this one. But my hypothesis was wrong.
I thought these would take like.
You knew that they were going to go fast?
Uh-huh.
It must be because the magazine paper is so thin, it soaked it up really quickly.
Yeah, I would want to do that again.
That was really cool.
Yeah.
So there is your Saturday experiment. Give it a try. It's really easy. It takes like no materials and no time, and it's really cool to see an experiment with different.
This one is soaking up so fast than this one.
So it's really cool to see the way the different papers react.
If you don't have this book, you can just
check the instructions that I'm going to post here in a minute.
Yep, and if you don't, you can just pause this video and make it stop, and so you can look. And if you want to do it, you can just pause to look at the instructions.
All right.
Let's take a minute.
You are so silly.
Bye, my name's Carys. I work with Usborne.
Bye.